The Igbos are so important to God in his agenda in the earth. And that is why many things are there that are in against Ndi Igbo. There are many, so many satanic craftiness. There are so many wars that practice of immoralities, or immoralities itself, or wars. There are altars that are built here and there in the Igboland that are troubling Ndi Igbo, or that are speaking in against Igbos. More sacrifices are going on. There are rituals, idols, cauldron pots. The lives and blood of people shed are speaking, litter the ground or wasted in the land. People's blood filled our waters, causing us to drink blood. Maka na ọbara akwafu na mmiri zo ọsachara na mmiri anyị na-aṅụ. Ewe na-aṅụ ọbara. We are living in a borrowed cultures and traditions. So many of the traditions in the Igbo na-emeta asị na ihe ndị nna nna anyị ha dobe are borrowed cultures. Ndị Igbo si Israel. Ife niile anyị na-eme kwesịrị as it is in heaven, let it be here on earth. Anything less than that is not Igbo. Aka njedore ya na ndị Igbo adịghị egbu mmadụ. Mmadụ nwa na-ezonarị mmadụ efu ya. Ya ka mmadụ ya wezie mma kwụọ mmadụ n'onu wee egbe gbaa mmadụ ọda na Igbo. There are filthy garments, there are falsehood, there are lies, abominable acts. There are different types of powers and demons invited into Igboland. If I had time, one or two revelations. Only one mission God in Anambra State. When I was to embark it, 40 pythons blocked my way. AK-40 not choosing a Mayaga. But thank God the Lord gave me breakthrough. I passed through. More nango about an OP worker. The Lord one day simune money ajanwa. Abia bara. Moto wenke sina na amibara. Surun mwada akupu OP worker. And the Lord gave me the victory over that power. It was called in different states. So many things in the Igbo invited into our land that are not of us.